Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to enable cookies on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to enable cookies on Safari or any kind of a browser which you use on iPhone iOS 18, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and this time you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings again, and you have to simply go to general, and this time you have to simply click on software update. And here you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS 18. So if you want to check for that, you can simply check for the update. Now, if you want to unlock all the cookies on your iPhone, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings. And this time what you have to do, you have to simply go to apps. And in apps, what you have to do, you have to look for Safari here. So in Safari, what you have to do, you have to check the settings of the Safari. So you have to simply click on that. And after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down. Then you will not find any kind of option related to cookies. But what you have to do, you have to simply click on advanced. So here you can simply see that there is option available, block all cookies. So if you want to enable cookies, then you have to simply turn off this toggle, and after that you will be able to enable all cookies on your iPhone. So it will use cookies on your iPhone, and it will not create problem for your website. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.